my God, Cassie Purdy, unmute for me, girl. Unmute your butt right now.
Hi.
Hi, Cassie. Okay, so everyone, this is Cassie Purdy from Fort Collins, Colorado. She is amazing. Cassie, can you just really quick introduce yourself and explain how your business has changed over the last year so that the rest of the new students can go, oh,
Oh my
okay.
gosh. You're
It's
just,
not
yeah.
just for Patty.
Okay. Yeah, so before I started working with Danielle, I was in really deep. I had a team. I was in really deep, paying just ridiculous amounts for Zillow leads every month. And I was working all the time, no balance whatsoever. My marriage was strained. It was just very, very stressful. And since working with Danielle, I mean, like everything's changed. I'm still at similar production, but I'm not working every weekend. I'm not stressing myself out. I quit the Zillow leads last year while I was in the program with Danielle. So I've been off of that for a long time now, and I don't feel like I will ever go back to doing that. Even if I close less deals, I don't have the overhead and the expenses every month. So I was just basically running around working like crazy for no reason. And Danielle helped me realize that. But you guys, Danielle is like she's just, her mind for business is so great. And that's where I struggle, because I feel like I'm a really great realtor. I'm 8 years in the business. I close 40 to 50 deals a year. I'm a great realtor, but I'm a really horrible business person. So Danielle,
Wait, let me reframe that. You used to be a horrible
I used to be a horrible business person, right? So Danielle is just like the ultimate resource for coaching you to run your business like a business and have a life and be able to have it all. So yeah, she's amazing.